Hi and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about land art. Firstly, what is land art? Do you have any ideas? Land art is a type of artwork in which artists create images and sculptures in nature from nature. The artist looks at the environment around them and uses this as inspiration for their ideas. This is described as site-specific. This means the artwork has been designed specifically for the land in which it is placed. It would not have the same effect if the same sculpture were placed somewhere else. In this land art, the artist has used rocks to create an archway against a mountainous background. The artist has built this sculpture specifically for this site and changed the way we view the landscape. Land art can be created anywhere in nature and can help us to consider different textures, colours, shapes and patterns. Which materials in nature could you use to create your own land art? Nature provides wonderful materials to create artwork. Rocks of different sizes, leaves of different colours and shapes, fir cones to add texture, shells with different patterns on them, and a variety of sticks. For your hands-on activity, go outside into nature and find your own materials to create your own land art. Consider the environment you are in and the different materials you can find. Think about different patterns, shapes and colours you can create. For more information about this activity and more activities related to art and nature, please go to handsoneducation.com, Year 2, Art in Nature. I hope you enjoy creating your own land art. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!